Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about selective statement. So let's start. Selective statement. Now friends, in this our first topic is if. It is the selective statement or we also call it as conditional statement. If the given condition is true, then only if block executes. If block means if condition. Now example, suppose I am giving here if a is greater than b, then maximum or max will be a. And then our second topic is if else. It is a conditional statement. If the given condition is true, then if block executes, otherwise if false, then else block executes. Now the third one is nested if. If means this if condition statement within if statement means one is if statement having another if statement in that. Is called nested if. Now the example, if a is greater than b, bracket open, then if a is greater than c, then max is equal to a, else max is equal to b. Max here means maximum. And friends, from here you can see that I have also given the example of if else condition in the upper given statement. Then if this condition is false, then else, bracket open, if b is greater than c, max is equal to b, else max is equal to c. It is the example of nested if. Now our fourth one is if else if ladder. This is known as if else if ladder, means one if, then second else if, then third if, it will be continued. It is used when multiple conditions are given. Now example, if PER per equal to 60 greater than equal to 60, then div is equal to 1. Else if PER is greater than equal to 50, div is equal to 2. Else if PER greater than equal to 40, div is equal to 3. Else div is equal to -1. So friends, in this if this condition becomes false, then cursor will go to this. If this is false, then it will go to this, and afterwards it will go here. Friends, here PER is the percentage and div is the division, means the rank. Now suppose I am giving here the output of this. If suppose percentage is greater than equal to 60, then it will give the division as 1. If it is between 50 to 60, then it will give the second division. If it is from 40 to 50, then it will give the third division. And if it is less than 40, then it will give -1 division. Friends, in the next video I will tell you about nested loop, null statement and trigonometrical functions. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.